Hello and Happy New Year, my friends. Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well and had a wonderful New Year's weekend. It is great to see all of y'all and welcome to my first video of the new year 2023. But instead of cooking or baking, I decided to do a Q&A. And thank y'all for all the lovely questions. I'm very excited to answer each and every one of them. So grab your glass of water and enjoy this Q&A. Here we go. All right, the first question is, if you weren't working in the school or doing YouTube, what other profession would you have? Wow, that's a good question. Well, I would be a sports journalist. I love watching sports, football, basketball, tennis, you name it. All right, our second question. Have you considered cooking classes for the kids at your school, like an after-school program? Yes, but I haven't gotten around to it yet. All right, our next question. What are 3 things that make you smile? Wow, that's another great question. Well, I love to feed people, love to share my food and recipes with everybody, seeing people happy, and reading. All right, next question. If someone could only make one recipe from all your videos, what would you recommend? Old-fashioned tea cakes. Taste just like how grandmother used to make. In fact, my tea cake video is my highest one on YouTube. It tastes so good and is very down home. And I'll post a link to my tea cake recipe down below in the description box. Trust me, y'all gonna love and enjoy them. All right, next question. What is your favorite holiday meal to prepare? Turkey and cornbread dressing. I enjoy putting the seasonings on the turkey, and also every year I make my grandmother's cornbread dressing. Every time I make it during the holidays, she'll be right there with me. She is so proud of me and doesn't like grandmother's recipes. All right, next question. What are some of your favorite hobbies? Well, I love to play dominoes and cards, dancing, and speaking. All right, next question. What are your favorite sports teams? Well, I'm from Houston. I gotta support my Houston teams, the Houston Texans, the Houston Rockets, and the Houston Astros. And congratulations on the Astros on winning the World Series this past season. Go Astros! Woohoo! And also, I'm a big fan of the Cincinnati Bengals. I love me some Joe Burrow and Jamar Chase. All right, last question. Do you use all natural ingredients or sometimes imitation? For example, like imitation vanilla or margarine? Well, I mostly use all natural ingredients, but in some cookie or cake recipes, I like to use unsalted butter and sometimes use half butter and half margarine. But vanilla, no, I don't use imitation vanilla. I use pure vanilla. This isn't a sponsored video, but I just want to share with y'all the vanilla I like to use in all my baking. Molina Mexican Vanilla Blend. It makes all my baked goods taste great. Wow, this was fun. I hope y'all enjoyed my Q&A, and thank you again for all the great questions. And I'll do another one real soon. And I want to thank all y'all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Much love.